Hi, my wonderful family. Join me. Let's make waakye. So I'm gonna go in with my washed beans in my pot, add some water, and then bring these beans to a boil. Now I had powdered waakye leaves, so I poured that into my beans. Okay, you could use the regular waakye leaves. That is also fine, but I had this powdered leaves. Then I'll add in some onions. The onions allows these beans to soften up faster, and then went in with some salt and allowed these beans to cook 75%. Okay, after about 30 minutes my beans was 75% done. So at this point I'm just gonna go in with my rice. Okay, you don't want that beans to be too soft because you want to cook your rice. Added some oil in there, poured my rice. Now I realized my rice was not enough, so I added more rice to this. Okay, once you add the rice to your satisfaction, make sure to stir all of this deliciousness together and allow it to cook for 15 minutes. You could add water if you want your waakye soft, but I didn't add water. I just stirred and then allowed this deliciousness to take its time to cook. Family, look at this waakye. It is coming together. So after 15 minutes I stirred, making sure the top goes to the bottom and the bottom goes to the top. Again, if you want your waakye soft, you could sprinkle water on this rice. Okay, I do not want it soft, so I'll just go in with some banku rubber. Yes, cover with some banku rubber. I ran out of foil, but I usually use foil, but I didn't have that, so I just went in with some rubber and then covered my waakye. Okay, and allowed this deliciousness to simmer on medium heat. Okay, let the heat cook this waakye. It's been 10 minutes now, so I'll go ahead and take the rubber off my waakye. Okay, at this point the waakye looks good to me. It is ready. So yes, I'm going to stir all of this together. As you can see, I was also making spaghetti, because what is waakye without some spaghetti? The Ghanaian would say macaroni. So yes, my spaghetti was also cooking on the side. And we're gonna let this rice simmer. Okay, take its time to simmer for an extra 5 minutes. Now family, look at this deliciousness. Watching it now, baby. Cooking with Addie. Bacho me pe waakye. Waakye is a popular street food eaten by Ghanaians during breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Yes, waakye slaps at any time of the day. Go ahead and play. Okay, so I'll go in with my spaghetti and some garri. Okay, add in my waakye stew in there, some fish, egg. Yes, waakye needs all of this accompaniment in order for it to slap. Now be sure to return back next Sunday, because I will be posting the recipe to the waakye stew. Family, if you've been able to watch this far, you're the real MVP. I love you so much. Thank you guys for the support, and I hope to see you next Sunday. Bye family.